Registering for classes is an exciting and important task for every student at UM. Students register using the registration module in Cyberbear. First, open the Student Services tab located in Cyberbear. Click the Freshman Registration link. You will see the Registration Planning menu. Check for any holds and your registration time and prepare for registration. The Plan Ahead page will pull in any plans you or an advisor have created and locked in DegreeWorks. You can also use this menu to create a one-semester plan. If using a plan, click Create New Plan and select the DegreeWorks Plans tab at the top. From here, click Add Course for each course. Save your plan so it is accessible in the next step. Once you have everything ready, open Register for Classes, select the term, and enter your advising number. There are multiple tabs to use when searching for classes when you are registering. If you planned ahead and created a registration plan using a DegreeWorks degree plan or created your own, open the Plans tab. Open the drop-down and click View Sections for the courses on your plan. Make your selections by clicking Add. Once everything is set, simply click the Submit button in the summary block to finish your registration. If you did not plan ahead, start with the Find Classes tab. Clicking Advanced at the bottom will open new criteria. Use this menu to look for classes by subject, title, general education requirement designation, campus, and day and time. If you can't remember the full course title, you can enter a percentage sign as a wildcard. This will pull all results that start with those letters. You can also use the other menus to search by course request numbers, also known as CRNs. After you enter your criteria, click Search to pull up your options. The main results page shows you the course title, subject, course number, section, credit hours, CRN, instructor, meeting times, campus code, and the number of available seats. Clicking the course title will open an additional menu with details like course descriptions, general education attributes, prerequisites, and the waitlist. You can also filter your results by clicking the gear symbol on the right side of the screen to make viewing easier. Build your schedule by clicking the Add button on the right-hand side of the screen for each course you want to register for. You will see the meeting times of each course you select added to your tentative class schedule on the bottom left. You will also see the courses saved in the summary section on the bottom right of the screen. For courses that have link sections, click the View Link button for an easy way to add both of the required sections and avoid a registration error. As you build your schedule, you will notice that the tentative class schedule does not indicate time conflicts. If you try to register for a time conflict, you will receive an error once you hit the Submit button in the summary. To remove classes from your schedule, change the Action button to Remove or Drop/Delete and click Submit. You will be able to confirm your registration when the tentative schedule changes the colors of your classes from gray and when the Summary tab has a green registered status for each course. Full classes are indicated in the status column of the Search Results block. If there are no other sections that are open or that work with your schedule, consider adding yourself to the waitlist. To add yourself to the waitlist, click the Add button and then Submit. You will see a notification in the top right hand of the screen. Change the Action drop-down to Waitlist and click Submit again. Notice how the status in the summary block will indicate you are now on the waitlist for that class. When a spot in the class opens up, you will be notified by email and you will be able to return to the Register for Classes screen to officially add the course. If you have any registration errors, you will see these notices in the top right of the screen. You will need to click OK to be able to resume registering. Registration can seem like a daunting task, but these tools will help you streamline your registration. For more information on registration errors and the registration process, visit us at umt.edu/registration errors or call 406-243-5600.